Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon, and well, for my first video on this channel, I'm gonna be basically giving you a quick tutorial on how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free. Now, just so you know, this is the 2019 version because, well, for me anyway, because that's the only version of Premiere that works on my computer. So yeah, and excuse the homeless look, by the way. That's my hair. Yeah, I know, disgusting. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So, you want to head to this website first, get into PC, link will be in the description. So, again, you can see that stuff, but anyway, just go to Adobe Premiere Pro, and well, you've got a huge, massive list of versions of them, but well, I'm gonna you'd want to go, well, for me in my computer, in my case, I'm just gonna go for Adobe Premiere Pro 19, even though I've already got it, as you can see. Therefore, and it is this version, by the way. How to install this software? Download 64-bit. Right, I'm gonna cancel the download because again, I've already got it. But well, that is pretty much that's just how you download it. And yeah, as I said before, it is complete. Again, there is no virus, there's nothing malicious in the files, nothing like that, because again, as I keep repeating, I've been using it for months and it's worked just fine for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of this content, then, well, all I can say is subscribe and like, and well, you'll be helping others find videos like this, because at the end of the day, this is legitimate. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another upcoming video. Have a good one.